The update tutorial for 360 Gaussian version 1.3. This update introduces sharp frame extraction, more sphere SFM settings, and automatic step calculation. The black line issue in cube map splitting has also been fixed, along with other small bug fixes. Let's go through the full workflow starting from the media input. You can add equirectangular 360 videos, image sequences, or use add batch to combine multiple clips. You can also drag and drop files directly. Choose how many frames per second to extract. New in this version is sharp frame extraction. It uses the extract frame value and a sharpness check range to select the sharpest frame. For example, with a value of 10, it checks 5 frames before and 5 frames after each 1-second interval and picks the sharpest one. Automasker is a paid feature that automatically masks out the camera operator, other people, and unwanted objects. This removes a lot of floaters from the final splat, so there is much less manual cleanup needed. There is also a custom mask option, which is useful if you have something in the same spot in every frame. For example, a camera rig that always appears in the same position. Next is the alignment and training selection. Brush is free and open source and the simplest way to get started. Lichtfeld Studio is also free and open source. It also supports gut training straight from equirectangular images. Postshot is a paid option that requires a license. In the advanced settings, you can change the Colmap parameters for alignment. You can switch between exhaustive and sequential matching. Each setting has hover over info to explain what it does, but you will need to test what works best for your dataset. The presets are good starting points, so if you find better settings, please share them with the community. In the training settings, you can set the total training steps and the maximum number of splats. New in version 1.3 is the automatic step scaler. It checks how many images were extracted from your footage. It then uses a multiplier to calculate the recommended total training steps. Lichtfeld Studio settings are also a starting point for your own experimenting. Before you start the workflow, make sure to set all the required paths. When everything is configured, press Start to begin the workflow. The application will extract frames, run the masking, perform alignment, and start training. If you have multiple files in the media queue, it will process them one after another automatically. I hope you enjoy the new features in version 1.3. For feedback and ideas, join the Discord channel.